Representing for my ladies, my sexy babies. Ain't this what you came for? Don't you wish you came more? Girl, what you playing for? Come on, come on, let me hit that. Ooh, I know you missed that. What's wrong? Let me fix that, twist that. Baby, tonight I let you know. Baby, tonight's the night we lose control. Baby, tonight you need that. Tonight, believe that. Tonight I'll be the best you've ever had. Yeah, I don't wanna brag, but I'll be the best you've ever had. I don't wanna brag, but I'll be the best you've ever had. I hit you with the best stroke, freestyle in the breaststroke, till you're blowing cigarette smoke. Now the bet's broke, so what we gonna do now? Round two now, work it out.